Okay, it's already 61 participants. So I'm going to start now. Please take care of your timing. Okay, you could be a little bit rushing. Just alert yourself. Okay, and I expect you to use your statistical table. If you calculate by using your calculator, of course you cannot catch up with time. Okay, so now I'm going to press the start button. Okay, you are about to start now. Okay, I will end the session shortly. Okay, it's only 5 questions. Okay, so you better answer quickly. I will end the session in about 2 or 3 minutes time. Okay. Shafiq, problem with server or what? Opa, Alani, Zulhilmi, not yet. Okay, another 2 minutes. I'm going to end the session, so you better be quick. We have 3 top scorers already. 48 done. Okay, 1 minute to go, guys. Please. 1 minute.
Ma'am, my connection already disconnected. I'll just connect again.
Okay, so if you won't be able to finish off or
Uh, no,
totally
just one, and then my internet connection is down.
okay, that's
Sorry, ma'am.
very sorry to hear that. Okay, should I end now or you still want to answer, guys? Okay, I end now, yeah?
Yes.
Maybe Oppa, Zulhilmi, Alani got some problem with the server. Okay, I will end now. Okay, so we have 59 already done the quiz. So I end the session now. Oh, where is it going? Okay, so what's the what's the result? Okay, we'll see. Who's the top? Okay, just now. Okay, we have uh 1, 2, 3, 4. And four top scorers here who got all question correct. Okay, well done, Jen, Vincent, Wave, Or. Congratulations. And the rest, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 4 out of 5. Yeah, correct answers. Okay, very good. And then who else? So Zulhimi, maybe you have a problem with your server. Iman, Awan, Ashfan, what happened? Iman? Oh, Iman. Salah tekan. Server down, huh? Ashfan, okay. Right. So let's look at how you should answer this. Okay, I look at the question summary or okay, question summary. Only 46% accuracy in total. Yeah. Oh, what is this? Oh, cancel. Okay. And then not so encouraging, isn't it? 46% only. So we look at the questions. The least accurate. Number two, number two. Only 15% accuracy. Uh, correct only 10 participants. And the rest got wrong answer for this one. Okay, we'll see why. And then the next list is number 4. Okay. So again, we just look into how to use the table, but it seems that only less than half of participants today understood what I actually discussed. Okay. So the skill of using the table is still lacking for more than half of you. Okay. Only 50% accuracy for the last question. Okay. So let me see the choices available. Okay, the choices available. Here. Here you can see the performance from your group, yeah? Uh, for this one, question one, 41% got this correct. And the rest, the next one, the number of bits in error. This is binomial actually, okay? So let's look at this questions. Number one, all of these variables are possibly binomial except. Remember binomial, you have the number of successes or the number of failures in n fixed trial. You have to know the number of fixed trial. Here you are talking about the number of red cards. The 6 participants. Can I look who are they? Okay. This who got Jacob, Edmund, Sophie. Do you think you know why you got this wrong? When you when you call the red cards, yeah, the red cards as the success, and this is the success in a showroom of 12 cars. You have a number of fixed trial here. You're talking about the number of cars. What kind of cars? Red. And then you're talking about among these 12 cars in the showroom. Okay? Maybe you feel like you have a specific space. But look at here. You have 12 cars. That is the fixed number of car in the showroom. Among these 12 cars, what is the number of red cars? So you have binomial. Okay? What about the second one? The number of defective bulbs in a box of 20 bulbs. Again, you have a fixed number of trial bulbs, but you are interested in the defective bulbs. So this is possibly binomial as well. Okay? The number of bits in error in the next 10 bits transmitted. Okay, just imagine you have 10 bits transmitted. It could be bits in error or it could be bits which are okay. Okay, not in error. So you have the number of failures in a fixed number of trials. So you have 10 fixed number of trials here. So you have binomial as well. So these 23 participants, please take note. Okay. But of course, the third one here, the number of holes along a 50-kilometer road. You don't have fixed trial here. How many holes that you observe? Okay, nothing, isn't it? It's only the occurrence, the holes. You don't have failure or success here in the Poisson. You have occurrences, events. Here, the occurrence is the holes. The holes can occur along the road. How many? The number of holes along a 50-kilometer road. So you specifically look into the specific length of road, which is 50 kilometers road. So obviously this is not binomial, because binomial you have to have trial with two possible outcomes. Here, what is your trial? No trial, right? What is the fixed number of trials here? Nothing. It's not given. What you know, you have a specific length of road. You think you can accept this? You take the first one?
Yes.
Okay, good. Number 2, does X possibly follows a Poisson distribution if it represents the age of 20 participants? Oh dear. Only 10 participants. Okay, I want to see who asked correctly. Edmund. Well done, Edmund. Edmund, are you here? Yes. Edmund, why you did answer no? Why is it not Poisson? Can you answer in voice? Edmund? Oh, don't have mine. Okay, Edmund may write something. Wait. Why why didn't you answer this is Poisson? Why you said no? Maybe Edmund can share his answer. We'll see another person who did answer correctly. Wave, Wave, are you here, Wave? Wave? Very nice nickname, isn't it? Wave. Are you here? Not here too? Jingshun?
Because that one is uh, if they want the answer to be like that, they need to put like number of participant in 20.
The number, isn't it? But it starts with the H, isn't it? Okay, thank you, Jingshun. That is correct. Okay, look at the question again. It says the H. It starts with the H. So the H is not discrete, isn't it? The H is continuous. Can you count the H? No, you cannot count the H. The H can be what? Can be 20 years old, 12 months, 3 days, 2 hours, 50 seconds. So H continuous. Whereas Poisson has to be the number of individuals, the number of items, the number of participants in this case, the number of participants. Okay? And you don't necessarily fix the total number of participants. Okay? The number of participants who responded in 3 minutes can be many. So if I rewrite into the number of participants who responded in 3 minutes time, then it is Poisson. But if you talk about the age of the participants, the age is not discrete random variable. Okay, let alone a Poisson random variable. Okay, do you get the idea, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
Very
madam.
good. Okay, very good. Hopefully you get the idea. Okay, part B. Part B, this is because we just did the activity just now, right? So look at the performance here. Very good, the best among the 3 questions. So what you have to do, this is probability of x less than or equal to 5. Not 6 lah. If you look at the table, it has to be 5. Okay? If you straight away look at 6, you tend to answer part A. Ni 10 participants ni. You will tend to answer part A, which is wrong. You have to look at k equals to 5 in your table. Because less than 6 means less than or equal to 5. So try again next time. Make sure you are very, very good in this by using the table. Also for Poisson, this is to to test your skill on using Poisson table. What do you mean by Px greater than 4? Any answer? Px greater than 4, what do you mean by that?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. So, if you want to use your table, what is it?
1 y
1
minus
minus
4.
Px less than or equal to 4.
4.
So, write correctly. Write in a logical statement. Px greater than 4 is 1 minus Px less than or equal to 4. Fauzan, that is correct. Okay. And then only you use your table to locate the value for Px less than or equal to 4. Take 1 minus that value, you should get 0.9450. Okay, so please learn this again because this is common question actually in any assessment. Okay, number 5. 50% of you, 50%. The accuracy, 50%. 32 participants. Actually, that is 50%. 32 out of 64 just now. Got this correct. I wonder why 10 participants answered 50, answered 10, answered 2. Maybe you look at for 15, maybe 5 times 3. Is it right? Or this is my what I can think of lah. You may answer like that. These 4 participants you answered 10 because it's 10 minutes, is it? Or this 11 participants answered 2 because simply 10 over 5. Is that correct? Should I look into the names? Okay, so what do you have here? What is the random variable that you have? Anyone?
Cos.
What random variable do we have in question 5? Is it binomial? Is it Poisson? Not binomial, Fauzan. It is Poisson. Shafiq is correct. Poisson. Yeah, Poisson. Why? Because you are talking about the number of calls, the number of occurrences received in a specific time interval, 10 minutes. That is Poisson. Okay, not binomial. Why is it binomial? You don't have characteristics of binomial. You don't have success or failure here. You don't have fixed number of successes. You only have a specific time interval. And you're talking about the number of occurrences, the number of events, and your events are the calls. Okay? So we want to find the expected value, the mean for this variable. But what we know, the mean number of calls received in 5 minutes is 3. This is what we know. Can we use 3 for the random variable defined in 10 minutes? No, of course not, right? So you have to update the expected value. Okay? Instead of 3 within 5 minutes, you should have 6 in 10 minutes, isn't it? How do you get 6?
10 over 5 times 3.
3 times 2.
10 over 5 times 3 or 3 times 2. Okay? So you update using the direct proportionality. If uh if the time interval is 5 minutes, lambda is 3, therefore in 10 minutes lambda is 10 over 5 times 3. Direct proportionality. So the answer has to be 6. Therefore, all other participants who answered wrongly, please go through, do exercise again. By Wednesday, I will share with you supplementary exercise questions, which uh, which is comprising of questions from past assessment and from tests, from final exam. So you can have varieties of questions on this chapter, specifically on special distributions. Okay, so that you can try out the questions. Okay, but this is basic. This is basic. The ungraded quiz, normally I give basic questions. I just want to see how alert you are with basic knowledge, basic information on the topic. Because if you don't get the basic stuff, obviously you won't be able to go a little bit higher level when you have problem solving questions that you have to solve. Okay, so get clear with the basic stuff first. Okay, so that's the end of the quiz. So what I'm going to do now, we are already at 12 noon. So I'm going to stop now and stop sharing. And I'm going to share with you the link for the recorded session with the other section. Okay, with section 21. Is it okay with you all?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
Doctor.
So I can dismiss now, dismiss you all now, so that I will go to the to WhatsApp and share the link so that you can you can watch the video. Two parts actually. But it's on negative binomial part 1 and part 2. And then what I want you to do is just to watch the video, and then redo the questions. Maybe you want to pause and rewatch and so on, redo the questions in the video. And then I also shared with you, I already shared with you in e-learning the slide. Okay, the slide, but of course the slide got some blanks. So you can only be able to fill in the blanks by looking at the video, because all are in the video. Okay, so learn by watching the video and try to fill in the blanks so that you get better understanding. Is it okay with you? I dismiss class right now. Thank you very much. I will go to WhatsApp and share the link with you all.